Hi and welcome to HardReset.info. In this video I want to show you how to clean your Motorola G71 USB charging port using home remedies. Remember the one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage the moisture protection and the charging mechanism itself. I suggest you use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. And as you can see, there is a piece of paper in my charging port. To get it out, first you have to take the cover off and take the toothbrush in your hand. Then gently insert one part of the brush into the USB port and try to gently pry the piece of paper out. So insert one part of toothbrush and gently try pry out the piece of paper. Cool, that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to the HardReset.info channel, and see you soon again. Bye.